Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Crypto Binance Updated. Open Binance, complete account setup, enable two-factor authentication, and verify identity to access full features. Next, link a bank or card or transfer crypto from a wallet and check supported currencies before trading. I will walk through the interface, order types, and basic safety tips so you can trade confidently and avoid common mistakes. Start by selecting the trading pair you want, like BTC/USD, then compare market and limit orders to match your strategy. Enter the amount, verify the fee, and confirm the trade while keeping an eye on slippage and order book depth. Practice with small amounts, use stop limits to protect positions, and regularly review open orders so you stay organized and avoid accidental overexposure. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful guides. Quick recommendation. Little Trees Black Ice keeps your car smelling great after long trading sessions and adds a small mood boost before you open Binance. I find it refreshes the commute and pairs well with focus time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When withdrawing, always confirm the destination address and choose the correct network to prevent irreversible loss of funds. Use withdrawal whitelists, require email and 2FA confirmations, and remove linked devices you no longer use. Keep small test transfers when interacting with new wallets and periodically audit your security settings, API keys, and device list to reduce risk and maintain peace of mind while using Binance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.